I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamaican-style cabbage using an easy method. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready. This includes a medium head of green cabbage, vibrant bell peppers, and a small onion. Don't forget 2 cloves of garlic and some fresh thyme for that essential flavor. If you enjoy a little kick, have 1 Scotch bonnet pepper on hand, but it's completely optional. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's get everything prepped for cooking. Start by shredding your medium head of green cabbage into thin, even strips. This ensures it cooks quickly and evenly. Next, dice your small onion and 2 bell peppers into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Finally, mince your 2 cloves of garlic, and if you're using it, carefully finely chop the Scotch bonnet pepper. Remember to wash your hands thoroughly after handling the Scotch bonnet. It's time to start cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet or pot over medium heat. Once hot, add your diced onion, bell peppers, and minced garlic. Sauté these aromatic vegetables for about 3 minutes until they become fragrant and slightly softened. Then, add the shredded cabbage, fresh thyme, and about 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice. Stir everything together well to combine. Continue cooking the cabbage mixture for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently. You want the cabbage to be tender crisp, not mushy. Once it reaches your desired consistency, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve your delicious Jamaican-style cabbage hot as a side dish or a light meal. For a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.